Come on in here now. Let's take a look at this piece of machinery. You probably got behind one or seen one on the highway at some point. So check out what I've got on the bench today. Man, this is an awesome piece of equipment, machinery. One engine driving several pumps. It's a paint sprayer, painting lines on the road. You've seen it on the interstate, maybe on the highway, painting those stripes on the line. Well, by golly, this is the type pieces of equipment it would take to do that. I changed the oil in it, throwed a couple fresh plugs in it, got a fresh air filter and fuel filter on it. I'm at the point I want to test my pumps. This is the part most of you are going to enjoy the most because I will not be talking. But before we get to that, if you hadn't taken an opportunity to subscribe to this channel, could you consider it? Thanks. Graco RoadLazer RPS 2900. Kohler Command Pro 19 horse. 24G 625, serial number BA151, Series L11A. Man, I appreciate you stopping by and checking out my little video on this great big paint sprayer. I mean, come on, how often do I get to run across something like this that I get to show off to you? It's not your average MTD lawnmower, you know. There was one important accessory about this equipment I forgot to mention. It does this. We'll see y'all. Call me.